Hello everyone, myself Udit Patel from Dangi College of Engineering Technology staff from Department of Civil Engineering. Today's topic for presentation is sliding base isolation. What do you mean by sliding base isolation? The base isolation system is a method of seismic protection where the structure is separated from the base. By separating the structure from its base, the amount of energy that is transferred to the superstructure during an earthquake is reduced significantly. It is a system that may be defined as a flexible or a sliding interface position between the structure and its foundation for the purpose of decoupling and horizontal motion of the ground from the horizontal motion of the structure, thereby reducing earthquake damage or structure content. And there are two types of base isolation. First one is elastomeric isolation, second one is sliding isolation. This is the flow chart of elastomeric isolation and sliding isolation. First, in elastomeric isolation, there are four types: natural rubber bearing, low damping rubber bearing, lead rubber bearing, high damping rubber bearing. Second one, sliding isolator, resilient friction system, friction pendulum system. First one, sliding base isolation. What do you mean by sliding base isolation? Sliding isolator work on principle of friction. This approach is based on the premises that the lower friction coefficient, the less the shear transmission. In sliding isolator, two pure flat stainless steel plates are spherically surfaced and accurately friction slides over each other during the earthquake execution. For more intention of sliding, the intensity of execution force must be more than friction force of isolator. And during earthquake, execution is frequently of which not harmonic. The isolated displacement is to stick clip nature. This is a diagram of sliding base isolation. First one is electron bearing steel seams. Second is leg plug bearing. Third one is friction pendulum bearing. Fourth one is friction pendulum bearing with the double computing. What do you mean by first? Resilient friction system. The resilient friction base isolator (FBI) is composed of set of flat rings which can slide on each other with a central rubber core and or a flexible rubber core. In this base isolator, the interferential friction force act in parallel with the elastic force in rubber. It combines the beneficiary effect of friction damping with that of the resilience of rubber. The rubber cores distribute the sliding displacement and velocity along the height of the RFBI. They do not carry any vertical loads and non-monitor to sliding rings. This is the diagram of resistance friction system. Second, friction pendulum system. A friction pendulum system, FBS, is a type of seismic isolation device which is building and bridge construction to measure the effect of earthquake. It consists of pendulum which is typically a steel slider or bearing placed on a curve or inclined surface. The pendulum is allowed to move horizontally during an earthquake, is the transmission of the seismic forces to the earth structure. The key behind the ABS is that the friction between the pendulum and the base display energy during the seismic motion, also the absorption damping the seismic forces. This allows the structure to absorb energy without undergoing significant damage. This is the diagram of friction pendulum. Thank you. And there is